Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I've got a very exciting limited edition beauty box to share with you, and it is the gorgeous Lookfantastic and Sol De Janeiro limited beauty box. The box is beautiful, isn't it? It is so pretty. Now, I was sent this as PR from Lookfantastic in order to show you and share with you, but there's no details as of yet. We know that it's worth over £91. Based on previous beauty boxes that have a similar value, you're looking at about, say, £25 to £50, something like that in the price bracket. Plus, if you are a subscriber, you will automatically receive, usually it's £5 discount. Now, currently, you are able to sign up on their waiting list. So as soon as this box goes live, you will have a notification. So if you're interested in this box for yourself, then I'll pop the waiting list link down below in my description. So underneath this video, you see show more or a downward arrow. If you to click that, that will bring up my description and all details about Lookfantastic or the limited edition boxes, plus the waiting list link for this box will be down there. So as soon as I find out when this box is going to be released, how much it's going to cost, how much a discount you'll get if you are a subscriber, then again I will post up everywhere, plus I'll add that extra information in my description. So this video is going to be a spoiler. Don't know the details as such, but this is what you'll receive inside the box if you decide to go for it when it is released. So yeah, so let's get on to opening this up and showing you. As with the subscription box, we get a booklet here and it details everything about the products inside the box, so I'll refer to that as we go along. Oh my head, oh my gosh. Well look, there's lots of products in there. Lots and lots of products. Let's start with something I have spotted recently on Lookfantastic and I've wondered what the scent is like. This is a spray, a body spray. Hair and body fragrance mist. Hold on. The packaging is just amazing. It is so gorgeous. This is Brazilian Crush 62, pistachio and salted caramel. There's 90 mils. And it says top notes of pistachio and almond, mid notes of heliotrope, jasmine petals, dry scent of vanilla, salted caramel and sandalwood. Oh, it sounds gorgeous. It sounds absolutely gorgeous. Well, look at the bottle. Look at the bottle. Does it smell? Oh, that's so nice. So nice. So hair and body. Oh, I'm just getting different smells now. Fruity, summertime fragrance. Oh wow, I love the pistachio in there. I would never pick that up because I'm useless at describing scents, but this is, yeah, I can smell the nut now. I can imagine going out for the night, giving this a spray all over me and my hair. So I just smell of holiday. Sol De Janeiro's iconic and much loved scent conjures up the warm, sunny, beachy vibe that we love and can't get enough of. It's the scent of summer. Honestly, I haven't read this beforehand. It's the scent of summer and a transportive treat. Spritz head to toe, a magnet for curiosity and compliments. This is a full-bodied deliciousness that's hard to describe and impossible to resist. So you've got a body spray. Next we've got a little shampoo. I am so excited with this book. A lot of these products I haven't tried before. Yes, I've tried the Bum Bum cream, which is gorgeous, and we have got a pot of it in here, but none of the others. So this is a Brazilian Joia shampoo. It strengthens and smoothing. Brazilian nut selenium, baruti fruit oil. So good to know if you've got a nut allergy actually. And yeah, this is a little mini. There's 90 mils here as well. Again, gorgeous packaging. I'm gonna have to open this up and have a sniff. Oh, it smells nice. Oh, it smells really nice. Yeah, I like that. This sulfate-free shampoo is brimming with hair-healthy ingredients like Brazil nut selenium and baruti fruit oil, Sol Seal technology for hair repair. The result, shiny, strong, healthy-looking hair. This is your hair to love. There's that. Next, we've got Brazilian Foreplay moisturising shower cream gel, and there's 90 mils there. It's got a shower gel. I just love the way it looks. I'm a sucker for packaging. The products might be really crap, but I don't care. But no, I do know that it's supposed to be really nice. Yeah, smells like the shampoo. Brazilian beauty starts in the summer, and this sulfate-free body wash brings the perfect balance of gentle cleansing without ever stripping skin of essential oils. Refreshingly and deliciously scented with the cult favourites Cherosos 62 scent, same as the body spray, for a warm summery vibe that will make you smile every time you shower. I love that. We got a shower cream and a body spray in the same scent. Yeah, love that. Next we've got Brazilian Kiss. This is Capuaco lip butter. If I've said that right. There's 6.2 grams there. This is a big one. Look how big that is. Oh. Now I've got lipstick on, so I won't put it on my lips, but that smells like biscuits. That just smells like biscuits. It's very subtle, but yeah. Infused with lip loving Capuaco butter and acai and coconut oils, this hydrating and super pampering treat keeps lips soft, comfy and always kissable. Yeah, that's really cute. I like that. Next, we got the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream, and there is 75 mils here. I've recently had another one of these in a different beauty box, and in a little mini one in last month's Lookfantastic subscription box as well. So I've got a few of these now. The cream is absolutely amazing. It's stunning. It just smells so nice. Look how thick and creamy that is. This award-winning body cream continues to win legions of fans with its fast-absorbing benefits like smooth, glowy, visibly tighter skin. I haven't noticed that, but my skin isn't the best on my bottom, I have to admit. Just mainly though it's rather large and a little bit lumpy here and there. A blend of caffeine-rich guarana, capuaco butter and acai and coconut oils make the magic happen. And the iconic Cherosos 62 scent with warm, delicious notes of pistachio, salted caramel and vanilla truly make this a vacation in a jar. If you've tried any of these products as well, please let me know what you think of them and what is your favourite. Next, we've got something for the hair. This is a triple Brazilian butter, hold on, hair repair treatment. And there's 75 mils there. Really nice scent again. This mighty mask repairs damage and provides deep nourishment without weight or heaviness. Formulated with Sol Seal technology, this concentrated hair treatment repairs split ends and is enriched with a deeply moisturising medley of Brazilian, Capuaco, Mumaru and Tocuma butters to fight frizz and smooth texture. I am really sorry if I am butchering these names. And then lastly, we've got a little sample, and this is from a new range, maybe. It's a pink range this time. A elasticity boosting body cream helps maintain a youthful Brazilian bounce and deeply moisturises skin. Oh, okay. So it's a little pouch there. So yeah, so those are all the products inside this limited edition Sol De Janeiro Lookfantastic beauty box. I'll just go through it all, giving you a bit of a recap. We've got a Brazilian Crush Cherosos 62 hair and body spray. We've got a Brazilian Foreplay shower cream. We've got a triple Brazilian butter hair repair mask. We've got a Brazilian Bum Bum cream, a body lotion. We've got a Brazilian Joia shampoo. We've got a Brazilian Kiss Capuaco lip butter. And lastly, the little sample. So yeah, so we know it's worth over £91. There's 6 products in the box altogether, and at a guess, I'm saying it's going to be between 25 and I would say 45. Between 25 and 45. I might be wrong. Apologies if I am wrong, but as soon as I know, I will let you know. But please tell me what you think of this box. Are you going to be getting it? Obviously, it depends on the price. Does it excite you as it excites me? I am so grateful to Lookfantastic for sending this out to me. I am really chuffed with it. I absolutely love it. The scent is just gorgeous. And yeah, I am really happy to try all these products. As I said, I haven't tried many Sol De Janeiro products before, but to have a box full, it is exciting. It is really exciting. So please let me know your thoughts. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. As well as receiving this, I was also sent the Mankind Lookfantastic Father's Day grooming box. So that will be coming up on my channel very soon as well. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.